Hey, welcome back all you DIYers. Today we're going to work on the Ram here, and an issue that's been bugging me is trying to get up in the back of this truck once in a while, and I always wish they would have had those nice steps like some of the other trucks have, but mine didn't come with it, so we're going to try and put something on here. I found something from DEEZEE. We're going to put it on. All right, so like I said, what we got here is a step that kind of goes right down here on the bottom corner of the truck. Yeah, you can get those real nice fold-up ones, but they're kind of a little out of my price range, so I went with this one from DEEZEE. It says it's a DEEZEE 6203S. It says it's supposed to go on 2010 to 2018 Ram 1500s, but on the old Amazon, it said that it was going to fit on my 3500. So we're going to see if we can figure this out. The instructions right here, there's a big hole in it from the shipping, but it looks like it's pointing to the wrong bolts. And from the picture down below here, that's not, it's actually these two bolts right here that are going to make this work. I don't know why I'd be taking those bolts off up there. So I'm going to show you here underneath. We'll slip underneath the back here, and I'll show you which ones we're talking about. All right, so in the picture, like I said, I got a 3500, but it was talking about some bolts that were right here in this area. But actually, the bracket actually is these two bolts over here. This one here and this one up here. We're going to take those off, and I'll show you how this will mount up here. All right, so here's the two bolts right up here. They're 16 millimeters what I got. I put it on this, my Ryobi Impact here. We should be able to take those off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my, just a little bit shorter. Impact just a tad shorter. It'd fit on that top one, so I'm gonna have to go get a wrench for that one. All right, now I don't have anything to hold this all together at once, but this is how that'll go up there. That'll set right there, and then you can see how this step kind of comes out here flat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take both my hands so I don't drop this on my face, and I'm gonna put those bolts back in right there. Put that back in there, and I'll show you what this looks like then, okay? All right, so I just got it in there. Just those two bolts are back in here, just finger tight. See, I don't have that any tightened on there yet, but I'll get that tightened on there, and then I'll show you when we're done. All right, looks like everything is tightened up in there. Everything looks really nice. Looks like it fits in there really well. So kind of swing out here. And there you go. I think that'll work really nice right there. All right, with the tailgate down there, that definitely gives me enough room to get my foot in there. Actually, that is going to work really nice. Like I said, and I think I told you a 16 millimeter before. It's actually a 15. And I tell you what, guys, it'll probably take you about 5 minutes. So, all right, that's going to do it for us. That's a quick and easy one. Those directions are a little bit off, especially maybe because it's for my 1 ton here. But hey, this worked really good. I hope this will help you guys out. Definitely a great buy for me anyway. So, hey, check you guys next time. Hope you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you later.